Hello and welcome back, everybody. It is Friday. Hope everybody had a good week. I have been away on vacation, seeing family, but now I am back. And today the trade we took was COP, ConocoPhillips. And it looks like this. I'm pretty sure this is a oil or energy company. All I know is that they trade on the in the energy sector. And what I liked about this in the morning is that it was gapping under a support area. So you see that one, two, and three times buyers stepped in when the price dropped around the 71.50 area. They all came in, and now it's gapping under that. So if anybody's buying here, hoping to go higher, they're a little bit trapped now because the prices are going back down. So either they stay in here for a loss or they're going to sell their position. That's what I liked about it in the morning, and I knew that it was looking very similar to the others, to the energy sector. So we just check on that to see here that XLE, it's the energy sector, does a very similar thing. It's gapping under some support areas and down into pretty much what we call void because it has area to trade under. This is a little bit different than COP because COP does not have any big buyers to step in until the 64 area, so we have plenty of room to drop today. Not that I think it's going to drop to 64, but it has plenty of room to drop today if it wants to. Alright, so let's go and look at what the open was in the 2-minute time frame. So pre-market's pretty flat. Not too much drastic movements up and down, pretty much staying in a little bit of range here. And what we have off the open is a drop, a bounce, drop, bounce, drop, bounce, and setting up a range here where my stop loss is right above here, which is the 70.67, and I put my entry at 70.22. And second it drops, immediately we're a little scared out because it pops up after we are triggered in and we could be stopped out, but we don't ever really adjust our stop losses. We just let it go because we're in the trade. Unfortunately, this trade does not hit our full target. Our full target was, I believe, 69.30-ish, around that area, so we're off about a dime. And just many times here where we're actually, I don't remember checking on this very often, but looking back on it now, we could have been stopped out a few times because it rallied up quite a bit after this drop. But in either case, once we set our trades, we're in it for good until it either stops us out, hits our target, or end of day, right? So whenever you set your brackets, you don't really touch anything. It's not a lot of work, right? You enter it in the morning, and then if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, then you just go about your business. So I was working, came back at the end of the day. I moved up my target to the $0.50 because I don't expect it to drop below the low day reset. And the $0.50 is usually where people put their their buy orders or sell orders. So I was confident that we'd at least hit that. If not, I would just moved it up to stop me out before, or take my profits before the end of the day, because I'm not holding these shares overnight. In either case, it was a little bit of work, even though it took all day. I wasn't very active work, and we still net 80 bucks, not doing very much, right? So a good little win to end our week off, and that's that. You'll see in the replay that I had to move up my target before the close of the day. And it's always nice if it drops down and tags us a target, at the initial drop, but it doesn't always do that, and that is okay. It's just about being patient and trusting your plan, right? Your statistics back it up, nothing to worry about. Alright, so I will catch you next time. Thank you all for watching. If you like what you saw, subscribe. Thank you.